Hey, this is Sasha, and welcome to another episode here on Hungry for Returns, where I answer your trading and investing questions about the stock market, options, swing trading, all those kinds of good stuff. And if you have a trading and investing question that you want me to answer, you can go ahead and submit one by voice at tradersfly.com, and that way you don't have to waste your finger strength. So we got a great question today. It's all about how to accelerate your learning, what to do next, what's the next stage after you've kind of been learning for a while. So really nice question. Let's listen up and go from there.
Hi Sasha, my name is Wayne Smith and I'm from Southern Ireland. I've only been trading now, not even trading, well, I've been learning for 3 weeks, but I've been using a demo account with a little bit of success, but very little success, and that's why I'll probably be on a demo account for quite some time. I just don't know which way to take my training. I'm on your start on the website, and I'm going through all the key points on the video lessons, which are absolutely fantastic. But where do I go from there, and which way what direction do I go in to make sure I'm covering all my bases, so I don't get 1 or 2 years down the road and realize that I've missed something that I should have learned in the beginning? What are the foundations to move forward to set yourself up a good future in trading? Where do you start first? What comes second? Is there certain levels that you start, and it's progression from them upwards? I don't know. It'd be great if you could answer this, because it's a little bit confusing, but I am enjoying it. I just want to know what direction you can go at so I can run at it a little bit more. Thanks a million. Bye bye.
Okay, so I get this question quite a bit, and we cover this question quite often in my coaching sessions, but I think it's a really, really great question. By the way, Wayne, I haven't heard this type of question in a while, unless it was directly from a coaching student. So fantastic question. So I think it's a great one to learn from the show. What he's talking about, by the way, we have a start page right here. So go ahead, get started in trading. We're just constantly evolving these things in these videos. And, books you should read, books to practice technical analysis, video courses for the ultimate beginner, private coaching, brokers you can start with. So this is kind of a good resource guide for you to just start. If you're totally brand new, this is what he's talking about, and it's a good starting point. Then later on, you get to this point in your trading life or your trading career or your trading world where now you got to kind of make a decision. You have to eventually get to trading real money if you plan to really ever trade, right? So that's kind of the stages, and I think that right now that's probably where a lot of people get stuck, is that you go and you learn, but you never get over the hump to trade real money. You trade in a paper account, and that's fine when you're learning, but when you get to that certain point, you'll have to jump the gun. You'll have to jump the bridge. You'll have to go to that next step to push yourself a little bit. And sometimes a trading coach can help you do that. And by the way, I do coaching for anybody that's interested. There's private coaching. It's one of the fastest ways to learn, but it's also one of the more expensive ways to learn. So you can go ahead and check out, the Traders Fly page and get a one-on-one session. And that usually will help fine-tune things, because we can go through and do some exercises. But if you're brand new and you're just starting out, let's kind of go on paper. And I think this one is a lot better to work on paper than just kind of going on screen. Because let's say, okay, you're starting out, and here's kind of your start point. And when you're first starting out, you're just trying to learn, and you're going into this direction. You're learning, but you're learning a lot of different things, right? So you're learning, but you're learning a lot of stuff here, a lot of stuff here, and there's no real clear kind of direction. You're learning a little bit about technical analysis, day trading, swing trading, penny stocks, options, all these kinds of things. And they all help grow you as a trader. So initially this is the amount of knowledge you know, and eventually you get a little more knowledge and a little more knowledge. So that knowledge base continues to increase. But with time, you have to kind of take a path. And you have to take, okay, well, do I want this path? Do I want maybe this path? which path do you want to take, or a whole completely different path. And sometimes this is what a coach allows you to see. It's tough to really get where Wayne is at exactly, because a lot of times what I do in my coaching sessions is, depending on your, let's just say, age, depending on your kind of goals, or I'll say intentions, because goals, a lot of times they'll fail. So I say intentions, the direction you kind of want to get to, your retirement plans, your amount of time that you kind of have. All these things will factor in kind of what's possible and what makes the most sense for you. So what we do in coaching sessions is we fine tune the path that, okay, probably these three make the most sense. These you probably could forget about. And then what you do is you'll fine tune it even further, that maybe these next two, you'll fine tune it and fine tune it and fine tune it. But it's hard to see that unless you kind of have another perspective. Now, sometimes you can do this with a trading group. So I encourage you, if you don't want a coach, go for kind of a trading group or a trading buddy or two buddies. And that way you just get a different perspective. They don't have to be better than you or worse than you. They just have to give you different opinion. Don't get someone that, this is you and this is them, and they just match up and, reflect back exactly what you're saying. Instead, you want somebody that's completely different opinion, so that way you can maybe get a different perspective or a different idea. So anyways, with that in mind, is you kind of choose a little path and then you go and move forward. I find that the biggest roadblock is once people learn something, let's say you're learning a little bit here about, this could be swing trading. Well, they never really put on a swing trade. So going from the actual swing trade to actual real money, that's usually a huge step. Now remember, you could just trade one share. I'm not telling you got to trade 50 shares, 5,000 shares. You could just trade one share. But that whole process gives you a huge and a whole new perspective. Then from there, you might want to look at new things, new opportunities in terms of, okay, how do I ramp this up? Okay, so how do I ramp it up? In terms of profits, how do I also simplify things, right? So how do I simplify things, or how do I make more money? So this is typically where the next kind of approach is. So if we kind of start with a slate that's clean, so here you're starting, then you go into your learning phase. There we go, spell it correctly. Then you go into, from your learning phase, you go into your real money, I would say light phase. Then you go into real money, but now you're trying to optimize. So that's kind of the basics on the stages. And when you try to optimize, you're trying to make either more money or you're trying to simplify. Okay. So for people that, I would say, hey, if you have kids, if you have a loved one that's sick, you got to take care of your mom and dad, and they have cancer maybe, and you're in your 30s and your mom and dad's in their 80s. You probably want to simplify your life. Look, you don't want to probably be day trading quickly on these kinds of things. You probably want to do more, let's just say, swing trading or long-term options. You're trying to simplify things. If you want more money, you have to think about, okay, how do I leverage? How do I get more margin? Let's just say portfolio margin. How do I get ramp up my profits? So you're thinking completely differently. But that's kind of the basics, I would say, in terms of stages that a lot of people go through. Is first they start, they get a lot of knowledge and know-how. Then they're learning a bunch. This depends on the speed of the learning can really ramp up. I would say coaching is the fastest. So you can check out the website there if you're interested in coaching. And that way we can do a one-on-one session. You can buy them in packs. Or you could also then go to video courses, which are cheaper, okay, on a per hour basis than coaching, and you get a lot more out of it. And then, of course, you could do free content, which is learning on YouTube or reading, even something in between could be like books, but cheaper content. But this takes the most time. So this takes the most time, but the least amount of money. This takes the most money, but you skip through things that you don't really need. It's a direct path. So it's kind of a trade-off, and that's why some people, they balance courses with coaching. Other people balance courses with free content. You're probably in one of those boats. Or some people just stick to free content until they're ready to go to the courses. At least these are the combinations that I've kind of seen. And then eventually you get to real money. Once you feel you have enough information, I would say start this sooner than you probably think, because a lot of people, most people wait too long. Okay, so if you're still holding out, I would say most people wait too long on that. But for you, you have to kind of make a decision. Hey, am I 6 months into this, learning a lot, but not putting a trade on? If so, then maybe you want to put at least one single trade, just one share. I'm not saying you have to go big. One share. Even if a $100 stock goes down to 50, well, you lost $50 minus your commissions as well. And then you want to look at optimizing. And again, all these things you probably could do on your own, but sometimes they're harder to see if you're not sure. But this is kind of the stage. This is what you're looking to go with. So number one, you're kind of starting. Number two, you're learning and getting information. Number three, you're putting on real trades. Number four, you're kind of optimizing it for your personal life, either simplifying it or trying to make more money, or a little combination of both, and ramping those things up. So that's the way I would look at it and approach it. That's the simplest kind of thought I would think that you want to look at when you're doing these things. Again, we have a lot of resources on free content. 98% of the stuff that we have is free. Then if you go to some of the books, some of these are my books. Then there's some other books that are not my books. There's some video courses that we have. We have new versions coming out with the video courses. And there's private coaching that you can do, one-on-one sessions. So learn more about that. You go to pay per minute here, and you can take a look, and you can book a time and book multiple sessions, and they're recorded. So we focus exactly on what you want to focus on. Otherwise, you could just go ahead and check out some courses and get some detailed training. But these courses, for 2 coaching sessions, you're going to pay about the same as a single course. And a course is maybe 20 hours on some of these. So anyways, you got to balance those things out depending on where you are in your learning. Now, of course, if you're not interested in the items that we have available, feel free, go somewhere else and take a look. There's a lot of getting started material that's free. We have a lot of free training. You can even do it based on categories here. So there's a lot of categories you could look through. And then we even have a new website that's coming out. So a little secret, don't tell anybody. But here's one that we have coming out where we're going to have a getting started page for, hey, if you want to do day trading, if you want to do penny stock trading, if you want to do swing trading, if you want to do option trading. So we got a lot of new great things coming up here in the future. We just relaunched our membership platform, which is kind of the new website here for us. For all the members, if you're doing kind of, hey, if I want to do swing charts or look at practice picture charts, you could do kind of membership things as well to kind of for a couple months if that's something useful for you. Some people do it for multiple years that, hey, I just want to get some insight, another perspective. Rather than having a trading buddy, this maybe helps you get a different perspective. So everybody's different at different stages. A coach can fine tune and narrow things down on where you should go, but looking at those stages and processes, if you're just starting, you're probably learning a lot of different things and getting a lot of free information when you're starting. Eventually, you might graduate to some courses or coaching. So you're getting a lot of insight, knowledge-based. Then eventually, you have to do action-based things. That would be the real money. And then you optimize. So breaking this down, a little bit longer of a video for everybody, but it's a very cool video, I think, and very helpful. First, you start. Okay, so you got the idea. Number 2, you learn and you get the knowledge. Really, this is more the know-how, because really when you learn something, you're doing a behavior change, but this is the know-how. Then you go into the action. This is trading the real money. Okay. And then the last thing is to optimize, okay? And that's really the basics and the process. So that's the 4th step. You optimize, and you can optimize for, as we mentioned, more money or easy lifestyle, kind of simplify your trades. So that's kind of the process. That's what I would look at. That's what I would recommend you start looking at and doing and seeing where you are in your stage of education, learning, and knowledge. So that way, hey, where do you want to move to next? And some of the things that we do in our coaching sessions with people is I say, hey, here's a lot of the free videos that you may want to watch. We put together kind of an educational plan. So sometimes those things work for people. Other times people kind of have their own ideas and insights and they want to focus on trades. So again, looking at the resources that you have available to you, especially online these days, there's just so many things out there that you can custom create a plan that's suited for you. And sometimes you don't see those big things, but the procedures and the processes, you get started. Hey, I want to work on these kinds of things. This is what I'm kind of interested in. You get a lot of knowledge. After you get a lot of that knowledge, you got to put action into it, because before that it's just knowledge. So you put action to it. After the actions, you optimize it. And that's really kind of the whole trading world, and really with many things that you do in life. Anyways, so I hope this was helpful and insightful. And if you had a trading question that you want me to answer in detail, then be sure to go ahead and write in at tradersfly.com. You can submit a question by voice, and that way you might be featured on the show and you get a really good detailed answer and you're not wasting finger strength. Of course, remember to subscribe on YouTube. Join our mailing list as well, where we send out coupons, discounts, new books that are coming out, new courses that are coming out, all good stuff to the members. All right, so thanks again, and I'll see you next time.